Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
I urge the honourable member, through you, sir, that pursue along with us in Delhi. They have a member of parliament. Pursue it in Delhi. Meet. Sir, organizations and NGOs have met. They have written. But honourable member himself has not written. But he mentions about this multiple times in the House. That's my only point. So we should practice what we preach is what I'm saying, sir. That's all. We should practice what we preach. We should be serious. And let me assure the honourable member and the House that we have not stopped pursuing the ILP. Let me make it very clear. We have not stopped. We are pursuing it. But we are looking at other mechanisms also. Is there a possibility? If we don't do that, then we are not serious about what we want to do. It's because we are serious. We are pursuing all possibilities. We are pursuing all possibilities. So that is what the point is, sir. And we will continue to pursue the ILP as well as continue to look at other mechanisms through which we are able to ensure that we are able to curb the illegal immigration that could be or in the future would take place in the state. We will find mechanisms and will continue to pursue. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will not take up any more questions on this.
One more question, sir.
No,
One more question.
I'm very sorry. We
Sir,
have taken
I
up
think
so much time.
if the Honorable Chief Minister alleges me, so I need also to ask from him, how many times has the government take us into consideration and call us so that we can together move to Delhi? And for the benefit of the August House, I would like to tell you, sir, that our MP had raised this issue. So I have another question, sir. Why I'm saying that this government is not serious at all, though they keep repeating that they are serious. When the President of India, through his presidential order, adopt the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act in 2019, where they passed the resolution here, what was the government doing? Because this presidential order is unconstitutional according to Article 372, where, let me read out this portion. I don't want to take much time. Sir, nothing in clause 2 shall be deemed to empower the president to make any adaptation or modification of any law after the expiry of 3 years from the commencement of this constitution. So what has the government done? Has the government written to the government of India challenging this presidential order? So that is my question, sir. So all these make us to believe, sir, that the government is not serious. And I would love if the Honorable Chief Minister would invite us, would call us also to move together to fight. Because when you are giving the option to the government of India, now you are giving an option, ILP light. That means whether you give ILP or you don't give anyone resemble to ILP. That is a weak negotiation, sir. So let us negotiate in a better way, sir. If you really want to get ILP and bring ILP into our state, sir.
So the honourable member keeps saying that we are not serious. Sir, our seriousness is in the action that we take. The number of times we have written to Government of India I repeat, how many times has he written? He is free to go and meet the Honourable Home Minister. If he was serious, he would have met at least once. So giving a speech and a lecture is great. But your actual actions, as our Honourable Minister, Mr. Sanbar Shulai keeps saying, that sir, we don't talk much, but we act. We believe in acting, in action. We believe in action, sir. We believe in doing the work. And therefore, we're doing, sir. Sir, we are very happy to have our opposition also to work with us. This is not a ruling party's issue or the opposition's issue. If you remember, sir, we had passed the resolution together in this House, as ruling and as opposition. So it is our duty to do this. And I request you pursue at your level also. We will also pursue. And if there's a possibility, we will go together. It will send a very positive message. So we are very much open to the ideas. But don't say, and don't use this House to put the blame on the government, saying that we are not serious about ILP. Sir, we repeat, we are very serious. But as a government, as I said, it is our responsibility to explore options. There is nothing wrong in exploring options, sir. And if we just sit still and just wait for the government, I'm sure the opposition would say, oh, the government is not serious, they're not pursuing anything, they're not doing anything. So we are doing. So our whole purpose is to find ways and means to have that mechanism in place to check into this real issue. And we will continue, sir, as I said, to pursue the ILP. Thank you, sir.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.